Ladies and gentlemen, Taveila. Taveila, if you could come over, we'll just have a little interview. Is that okay? Wow, that was really awesome dancing. Now, Taveila, how long have you been Miss Samoa again, please?
For about 3 weeks.
3 weeks. And how was the competition during that time, you know, competing for Miss Samoa? Is it like what you see on, you know, America's Next Top Model where they smile and, you know, oh, I don't think that girl should be here, you know? No?
No, definitely not like that. It was really good to hang out with all the girls. It's definitely not like on reality shows. So it was a really great experience.
It's great. And some of your duties, please, if you could just inform us, what are some of the duties being Miss Samoa, please?
We do a lot of charity work and attend a lot of functions, but we also like to help out with a lot of youth and a lot of people out in the community. Wherever we can help out, we try to do our best.
It's awesome. And are you currently studying or in employment at the moment?
I was employed, but I was going to go back to uni this year. But I'll probably do that next year and after Miss Samoa.
That's great. Thank you so much, Taveila. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Samoa 2009-2010, Taveila Nylon. Okay then, ladies and gentlemen.